Welcome back to my junk jewelry jar haul. First up, we have a butterfly. I don't even know. I've never seen this. They put a butterfly on a hair tie. So we want that butterfly. So we're going to cut that off of there. This butterfly, usually you see these with pins and brooches. And I would remove the pin and brooch. But we're going to take that hair tie and toss it out. And we're going to keep that butterfly. I'm just going to snip off these pieces in the back. And I can use that in a statement necklace easily. Has all its stones. Next up is this really cool whistle that does not, it doesn't whistle. It doesn't blow. It's got a little bird on it. But I'm going to keep it anyway. I think it's cool looking. Then we have this kind of amulet piece. I'm going to keep that. I could use that in a statement necklace also. So we'll hang on to it. That's the keep pile. Then there's this one single earring. Maybe we'll find the matching pair later down the road. But we're going to take off those little glass beads. And those are going to go in the dangles pile. And if you don't know what a dangles pile is I make long statement necklaces out of what I just call dangles. They're things that I can easily hang on a chain in mass. Like I can put a whole bunch of them and it's beautiful. I do not know that I have any in my store because they sell out very quickly. But when I refer to a dangle, it's something that can be hung in a piece. I make dangle charm bracelets out of repurposed jewelry, so I have lots of those in my shop. But they're pretty, so we'll put those in the dangle pile. I am not going to keep the little whatever that is. I've never seen that kind of finding before. We don't need it. And these are some big old beads. We're going to keep those. We will harvest those and add them to our bead bin. These bins will get reorganized. I keep my beads by color. It makes it easier when I'm trying to create something. But for now, I'm just sticking everything in there. That's a cute little heart finding. I'll keep that. Our dangle. Thanks, guys. Bye.